After one day, Mr. Sparrow now, look. Let's see if you guys could see Mr. Sparrow there. And say hi to Mr. Sparrow. Hopefully he gets better and grow big and we could release him back in the wild, right, Mr. Sparrow? Yo, what is up guys? Thank you guys for coming back to the vlog. Balik na tayo ulit dito. The plan today is to release Mr. Sparrow back to the wild. But I'm gonna give you guys some clip on the first day I got him and everything. So, yeah, let's do that. Alright.
Tweet, 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 tweet. He is very hungry.
He is. He eats a lot.
Upstairs!
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Do the next thing so it gets smaller. So it's eating dog food?
Okay, go get.
Okay, we'll do it.
Yes, it is upstairs.
Okay. He's doing good. Just to feed a little sparrow would need dog food. How come birds kind of eat dog food?
Well, I'm gonna feed them all the protein.
Because dog food has protein?
It has nutrients.
Oh, cool.
Alright, feeding time, noon time. Come on, Mr. Sparrow. So Mr. Sparrow he has been sitting in my finger for a... There you go. See, he likes the dog food. Here, one more. After one day, Mr. Sparrow now, look. Let's see if you guys could see Mr. Sparrow there. And say hi to Mr. Sparrow. Hopefully he gets better and grow big and we could release him back in the wild, right, Mr. Sparrow? Alright. Done with the snack. Going back to your small nest there. Yeah, been busy editing sa mga videos and pictures na kinuha ko sa Fish Creek. And I believe you guys are currently watching that or had watched that. But yeah, something happened over the long weekend. Nag-visit kami do sa kaibigan namin from Okotoks. And we haven't seen them for a very long time. So, yun, nag-decide namin na mag-visit then, bring some a little bit of foods, the kids to run around the farm and what. But, during the visit, whoa, right there. But during the visit, guys, something came up, or the kids found something while they were playing on the farm. So, I don't know if you guys have raised a baby chick or a baby bird. We found a baby house sparrow, or the kids did, and we were trying to return it back to the nest, and fortunately yung nest is around 20 to 25 feet, and I can't climb that high. So this is what I did. It's roughly 2 days now. I don't know if you guys could see him. There's Mr. Sparrow. Hey, Mr. Sparrow. Yeah, so he's doing well, and I've been feeding him some dog food, and nag-research ako ng konti na you could feed him dog food. And you just have to soak it with warm water. And yun ang ginagawa ko for the last few days. And it seems he's gaining his strength and, growing. And hopefully, sooner or later na pwede namin siya i-release back dun sa farm and, could get back to his family and what. But hopefully he survive and, I could nourish him to a good, survival bird, if you may call it. But yeah, hopefully I could release him soon. But I'm gonna keep you guys posted, okay? And I'm just gonna continue this vlog for a couple of days, and hopefully Mr. Sparrow does survive, and we could release him back. Okay, I know, buddy, I know. Mr. Sparrow? Let's see. Come on. There you go. Woo! Yes. I know you're hungry, bud. Okay, here. There you go. Good job. You're doing good job. Yes, bud. It's Mr. Sparrow. My room is dirty. Come.
When is it get clean?
Huh?
When did it ever get clean?
Sure. Come on, Mr. Sparrow.
Laki na.
Yeah. Oops.
Oops.
Ooh, that's dirty now. I have to clean. Mr. Sparrow.
Kailangan ko naman laging malinis.
Ko naman.
Malaki na. Pwede na.
Lapit na.
Aba. Sayang
Hindi, lilinisin ko na
sayang
yan.
yung pagkain.
It's okay, that's a lot. Isa pa.
Ilang araw pa yan?
I don't know, once he learns to fly. Uy! What are you doing?
Laki yan ah.
So he's fully grown. Look at that. Let's see if you guys could focus him. Look at him. Yeah, buddy. Say hi to the YouTube world. Alright, buddy.
Baby bird.
Okay, we're gonna feed Mr. Sparrow. It's his or her 6th day. Oh, I'm gonna put this down before it spills. And 5 days na siya, and he's big. I think he could fly now.
He flies.
Look at that, guys. Let's focus. Not on my face, but on the birdie.
Oh, he's so cute. Okay, it's time to feed him. He's scared.
Don't fly.
Fly.
Don't fly, Mr. Sparrow. Oh, yeah, he fly now.
And peed.
Poop.
Poop Puntito.
Here you go. Hey, Mr. Sparrow, here. Mr. Sparrow. Come. I need you to come back there. He poop on me. Pooper!
He wants to fly. He wants to
Yeah,
fly.
I need to watch.
He wants to.
Yes.
Do not let him on the concrete, or else he'll just.
I think he's ready to fly, but he doesn't know how to eat yet by himself, so hopefully.
I want to.
No, he's not used to your hand and he will fly. See?
Whoa!
See, he flies.
Whoa! Whoa!
He flies.
Yeah! Whoa!
Yeah, he flies now. Yeah. Hehehe. Alabas na siya eh. Yeah, I know. You're getting good. Yeah. Right? You're getting good. Alright, so it is Mr. Sparrow's, ano na ba? Ilang araw niya na? Was 8-9 days. Oh, you guys see that? Yeah, he has a new trick. Okay, what did you put there? And come. There you go. Yeah, he's eating pretty good. Ooh, he flies now. Cool. And there's David bringing Mr. Sparrow.
Yeah, it fell from its nest. Now we're bringing it back to its family. But now we just fed it. Now it has its wings back, so it's trying to fly.
Okay, Bella, speak Tagalog to Daddy.
Daddy, what's it again?
Yung madaldal.
Daddy, madaldal mo.
What does it mean?
You talk too much.
Okay, so this is the place where we found Mr. Sparrow, and we're gonna release him here. Right, Liza?
Yeah, he fell from the tree.
So show them where you found it.
I know where you found it.
They were playing here,
Hello.
and nahulog yung bird. Yeah, they were from here, right? And it's from that top over there. So where did you guys found it? Okay, so we're gonna release it. Okay?
I'll get it.
Okay. David's gonna get the birdie, Mr. Sparrow, and I think there's some birds already here. Okay, good.
I can hear them.
Who's releasing Mr. Sparrow? Okay,
Birdie, stop it!
okay, just take off the tape, Dave.
I like this.
Bella.
Dad, I'll tell you. How do you release it? I was on that swing. Alright.
Just put it sideways.
No, you gotta open all the lids.
Come on, buddy. Oh my God!
There you go.
Go over there.
Yep, he's in the tree.
Where is he? You see?
Straight ahead, the one with the leaf.
Oh, there he is.
There. You can see him straight ahead.
See him. Oh, there. Okay, enjoy your life. Alright, so we released Mr. Sparrow. What do you guys think about that?
Good because it just flied out.
Yeah, was it a good experience for you guys to see a baby chick
Yeah.
reborn or whatever you take?
Rehabilitated.
Rehabilitated, that's the
Blah,
word.
blah.
Yeah? Was it exciting?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
And blah, blah. I saw the sparrow first.
Yeah, exactly. And it took me about 10 days roughly to bring it to a condition that we could release it, and it was nicely enough to have the kids experience how to see a baby chick being taken care of and what, right guys?
Yeah, so you
Yeah.
had to feed him dog food.
Dog
Dog food.
Yeah, you have to melt the dog food or
Yeah,
on a warm water.
Like just put it in water, you just kind of seal it, and then you just gotta push it down your hand, and you just gotta feel the bird when it goes
Yeah. So the reason for that is so that the kids will have an experience with something being taken care of, like a small chick and a baby bird, and it was a really good experience for them.
Sparrow.
Exactly.
Yep, and also you gotta touch the throat like going down so you can swallow.
See, they learn a lot. But
Watch it on YouTube, that's why.
Alright guys, thank you guys very much for watching the vlog. It's a nice experience for the kids and for me, but take care. See ya.